Welcome to your Straight Razor Edge Friday special, from sharp to shave ready. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. My one word is heart, and I do everything with my heart. And I believe that every time you shave with a straight razor, you will get a better shave. In this video, from sharp to shave ready, starting right now. First, we're going to the Shapton 8K. This is a ceramic stone, and this does not need to be soaking. We just need to get it wet. Yeah. So let's get that wet. And we're going to do some half strokes. There's 40. There's 40. Now, let's keep that stone wet. We're going to do 20. And now this is with a fair amount of pressure on that blade as well. Ten. And 10, 5, and 5, and now we're going to do 10 axe strokes. All right, next, let's get that blade cleaned off. Trying to keep that clean all along. And we're going to get that stone wet again. Yep. Now, let's do some cleanup strokes. Now, these are going to be lighter. All right, now let's get that cleaned off. See how we did? Oh, that side looks good. That bevel is beautiful. And this side looks really good as well. All right, we're done with the Shapton 8K. Now we're up at the kitchen sink. Go ahead and get a small stream of water going here. We're going to get this Imperial Aroca wet. And we're going to do some axe strokes. And it's starting to get sticky. Now we'll do it on this side. And that one's getting sticky. Now let's do some X strokes. Yeah, we're getting nice and sticky. All right, we're going to turn up that water and get the hydroplane effect going a bit more. All right, now let's do some X strokes. Yeah, that freed it up a bit. Well, still sticky though. Yeah, all right. I think we are done. Yeah. We're done with the ILR for now. Now we're going to do 10 laps on the fabric side. There you go. Now we'll get a small stream of water going again. And do some X strokes. Okay, it is freed it up a little bit on this drop. Starting to get sticky now though. Now again, little to no pressure, weight of the blade only. That's what you're looking for here. Okay, we are done with that amount of water. Now let's crank that water up and get a larger stream of water going. Get the hydroplane effect going more. Yeah, freed it up. And we are sticky again already. Yeah, this is weight of the blade only. That blade is sticking to the stone. So we're done here. Now we're going to be doing 60 laps on the smooth side of the leather. Now what we do, we come down on the spine, we roll that blade down and take off, and then we roll on the spine and take off. And you don't have to try to push that razor through the leather at all, just very gently, just you want to contact the leather, that's all. Now I'm going to slow this down and let you watch it. There you go. Now let's do 60 laps on the smooth side of this leather. There's 50. Now we're going to do 10 more and finish it off. There you go. There's 60. Now let's go check and see if this razor is shave ready. Let's try to treetop some hairs. Yeah, toes treetopping hairs. Oh, the middle is doing good, treetopping hairs. And the heel, treetopping hairs. This blade is sharp and it will cut. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click over here to see if I could only have one set of hones. I think it will be helpful. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.